Hi, and welcome to Music for Little Mozart's homework instructions for lesson number 7. My name is Frida Nelson, and in this video, I'm going to talk about quarter notes, quarter rests, finding 3 block keys, and playing them with both of our hands, as well as we're going to review measures and bar lines. Let's dive in. We're going to begin with the lesson book. Lesson book, pages number 20 and 21. So we're going to start with page number 20, A Bear Song. I'm going to show a close-up right now. We have a little short story which says, "Listen, Mozart out. Listen, Beethoven Bear had written a song for the left hand using the 3 block keys and was ever so eager to play it. We will be using our left hand, fingers number 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to show 2, 3, and 4. Plays Beethoven Bear on 3 block key. Remember that you need to find the 2 block keys in the middle and then move to the next 3 block keys to the left. We're going to place the toy there, and then we need to clap or tap the bear song and count aloud evenly. Ready, set, and let clap. 1, 1, 1, rest. 1, 1, 1, rest. 1, 1, 1, rest. Assignment number 3, point to the quarter notes and rest below and count aloud evenly. Ready, set, and let count. 1, 1, 1, rest. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, rest. Assignment number 4, say the finger numbers aloud while playing them in the air. Ready, set, and let's start. 2, 2, 2, rest. 3, 3, 3, rest. 4, 4, 4, rest. Assignment number 5, play 1 key at a time and say the finger numbers. Now we're gonna find the 2 block keys in the middle and then move to the left to the 3 block key groups, and we're gonna begin with finger number 2. Ready, set, and let's play. 2, 2, 2, rest. 3, 3, 3, rest. 4, 4, 4. Assignment number 6, play and say the words. Please play with your left hand, fingers number 2, 3, and 4, and say the words. Ready, set, and let's start. My bear song is not long, now it's gone. Let's move on to page number 21. After hearing Beethoven Bear's new song, Mozart Mouse was inspired to compose a new song for himself. So on this page, we have a mouse's melody. This song is played with our right hand. Assignment number 1, place Mozart Mouse on 3 block key. This time, we're going to find the 2 block keys in the middle, move to the next group of 3 block keys to the right, and place our Mozart mouse there. Now, assignment number 2, clap mouse's melody and count aloud evenly. Okay, ready, set, and let clap. 1, 1, 1, rest. 1, 1, 1, rest. 1, 1, 1, rest. Assignment number 3, point to the quarter notes and rest below and count aloud evenly. Ready, set, and let begin. 1, 1, 1, rest. 1, 1, 1, rest. 1, 1, 1, rest. Assignment number 4, say the finger numbers aloud while playing them in the air. Now, a little review about measures and bar lines here. Now, bar lines are vertical lines in music that divide it into equal measures. Now, the entire measure number 1 has finger number 2, and there are 3 notes. So we're going to play finger 2 3 times, and then there's a rest. Measure number 2 uses finger number 3, and measure number 3 uses finger number 4. So this is how it's going to look. Right hand, we're going to begin with finger number 2. Ready, set, and let begin. 2, 2, 2, rest. 3, 3, 3, rest. 4, 4, 4, rest. Assignment number 5, play 1 key at a time and say the finger first. Remember that this song we're going to play softly. There's a piano sign, so please curve your fingers, place them on the 3 black keys that are next to the middle. Ready, set, and let's start. 2, 2, 2, rest. 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. Assignment number 6, play and say the word. Ready, set, and let's begin. Mozart plays and then runs away. So in our workbook, please finish pages number 20 and 21. On page number 20, we've been coloring pages with 3 black keys and quarter rests. And on page number 21, we've been coloring the 3 fingers that we use. Finger number 2, 3, and 4. So if they are already finished, please print out the extra worksheets that I'm going to send with my email. Also, in lesson number 7, we'll learn about composers, what they do, and we got acquainted with Ludwig van Beethoven. Now, on pages number 20 and 21 in your music discovery book, you can find a short biography of Ludwig van Beethoven. And on page number 21, you will see Rage Over the Lost Penny. That's the first piece by Beethoven that we're going to learn. So please continue listening to Music Discovery Book City, track number 8, and clap along with the recording. Loud with forte sound, soft with piano sound. Also, other songs for review are songs from pages number 16 and 17 in Music Lesson Book. Those are Left Hand Walking and Right Hand Marching on 2 black keys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see other Music for Little Mozarts videos, I'm going to add the link to my playlist down below in the description. I'll see you soon. Bye.